Look at these magnificent machines resting by the water. The tow truck and fire truck are waiting patiently today.
Is that a boat driving on the road? Wait, no, it's sailing through the canal. It looks so peaceful near those rocks.
It is quite a contrast, isn't it? The sailboat glides gracefully past the heavy construction equipment, a perfect blend of land and water travel.
Now the real work begins. These trucks are built for heavy lifting, especially that cement mixer.
Watch closely as the excavator maneuvers into position. Every movement is calculated and precise. They are moving to the dirt mound now. It's like a mechanical dance of industry and purpose. See how the bucket bites into the earth? The excavator lifts, swings, and empties its load right into the waiting truck. It is a repetitive, steady rhythm that keeps the construction site moving forward. Efficiency is the key to building great things. As the sun sets on our busy site, the sailboat returns to the canal, completing our journey. What a wonderful day to see how the world works. Welcome to the dusty plains, where the sun beats down on a town built by iron giants. Look at that red excavator, ready to bite into the solid earth.
It's trying to dig for buried treasure. Maybe it's looking for a giant snack. It's drilling so hard, the ground is literally shaking.
Not quite, my friend. It is actually breaking down the mountain to harvest stone. See how the rocks scatter? That is the start of a massive construction project.
Oh, here comes the cleanup crew. That orange excavator is moving fast, scooping up all those boulders. It's playing a giant game of shovel ball.
It is a very efficient worker indeed. By clearing the debris, it prepares the site for the next step in our industrial puzzle. They are working together. The loader and the excavator are a perfect team, moving those rocks into one big, organized pile. Now the heavy lifter takes over. That yellow claw machine has a grip like a titan, dropping rocks straight into the hungry jaws of the crusher. Everything is being transformed now. The raw stone flows through the presses, emerging as perfectly shaped, solid building blocks. And there goes our final product. Loaded high and ready for the road, that dump truck carries the town's future away. What a magnificent display of engineering harmony! Look at that little yellow forklift go! It is carrying a very important crate through the garden path today.
Oh boy, here comes the bridge! I bet it's going to fly right over, just like a rocket ship!
Actually, it seems the bridge couldn't handle the weight. Down it goes into the water with a giant splash. Don't worry, help is on the way. That red tow truck is the toughest hero in the entire construction yard.
Watch that crane work. It's hooking onto the forklift like a giant metal fishing pole. Up, up, and away!
Triumph at last! The red truck carefully pulls our little forklift back onto solid ground. Teamwork really does make the dream work. Wait! What is that glowing blue orb? The orange telehandler found something mysterious hidden beneath the surface. Now the excavator is moving in. It looks like it's time to clear away the broken pieces of that old bridge.
Kaboom! That was spectacular. Everything is cleared out now, leaving a clean slate for something new.
And finally, the concrete mixer arrives to pour the foundation for a stronger, better bridge. A fresh start for everyone in the yard. Thanks for joining us on this big construction adventure. Look at that busy city street. It is almost like a parade of heavy machines today.
Is that a giant orange beetle crawling toward the park? Oh wait, it is an excavator.
You are right. That powerful excavator is starting a very important job. Watch how it bites into the earth to carve out a perfect square. It is like a giant mechanical spoon, scooping up dirt and moving it away. It really knows how to clear the path efficiently.
I bet it is looking for buried treasure. Or maybe it is just making space for something cool.
But it is doing something equally impressive. Notice the precision as it smooths out the edges of the foundation. With the digging done, our orange friend is heading off to its next big adventure. Look at that yellow loader. It is bringing in a fresh load of materials to fill the space.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The loader dumps the load right where it needs to go.
Arrives with the magic ingredient to turn this hole into something beautiful. Watch as the concrete flows to shape a magnificent new fountain. It is truly amazing to see how these machines build our world together. that bright yellow tractor rolling through the dusty desert town. It seems like it is on a very important mission today.
Maybe it's looking for a place to park, or maybe it's hunting for buried treasure near those railroad tracks.
Not quite, silly. It has reached the water's edge, and look, the temperature is dropping fast. Oh no, the water has turned into ice. Is it really safe for a heavy tractor to drive across that thin surface?
I knew it! That ice was far too fragile for such a heavy machine. Down it goes into the deep water.
Don't worry, help is on the way. The dump truck and cement mixer are working as a team to build a solid foundation right over the wreckage. They are doing a fantastic job. Look at how they have created a stable path where there was once only water. Now, the excavators are stepping in to add the finishing touches. They are carefully placing a heavy metal section to make the bridge complete. Success! The bridge is strong and ready for traffic. It is wonderful to see how everyone worked together to solve the problem. Goodbye for now, friends! Bye! Welcome to our peaceful farm today, where the sheep and cows enjoy a quiet morning under the golden sun.
Whoa! Is that a giant robot coming out of the barn? It looks like it wants to play tag!
Actually, that is a powerful excavator, and it has a very important job to do around the farm today. Watch closely as the circular saw makes quick work of that tall tree. It moves with such precision. It is like a rhythmic dance, clearing the space so the farm can continue to grow and change. Now the excavator is getting ready for the next phase of its work. It is very efficient, isn't it?
Look at that blue truck! The excavator switched tool to a claw. It's like it has a giant hand now.
Exactly right! It lifts the heavy logs with ease, placing them carefully into the truck bed for transport. The loading is complete, and the blue truck is ready to head out. A perfect team effort. The truck carries the timber away, while a bit of farm magic begins to fix the fences and keep our animal friends safe and happy. Everything is mended, and the cows are perfectly content. It has been a wonderful day on the farm, hasn't it?
It sure has. Seeing everything fixed and happy is the best way to end our visit. See you next time.
Welcome to our incredible vehicle adventure, where the road leads to a world of endless discovery.
Look at that heavy-duty dump truck. Is he going to deliver a mountain of cookies?
Not quite, silly. That is sand for construction. See how the skid steers and police car join the fleet? Yahoo! The fire truck is ready for action, and the excavator is starting its big mechanical job. What a busy day!
Oh no! Watch out for those giant soccer balls! The dump truck just took a tumble!
That was quite a surprise. But look at our brave little loader, rolling right over the obstacles like a champion.
Hey, is that a giant yellow Pac-Man? Maybe he's hungry for some of those soccer balls.
Focus now. The team is lining up with those spiked rollers. They are preparing for a very important mission.
No.
Everything is moving so fast. It has been an exciting day of work and play. Thanks for joining our vehicle journey today. Look at that sturdy white truck cruising down the road on a beautiful, quiet day.
He's turning! Is he going to go grab some ice cream? Maybe a giant chocolate sundae?
Actually, he is on a much more serious mission. He is backing up with incredible precision toward the facility gate. Everything is so still. It's like the truck and that big yellow excavator are waiting for the perfect moment to start working. Watch how the excavator uses its massive claw. It lifts those heavy wooden crates with surprising grace. Piece by piece, the truck is loaded. It's a perfect partnership between machine and steel.
Job finished. The truck heads out. He's driving away so smoothly. Mission accomplished.
Oh no! A hidden rock! The truck has flipped over in a sudden shocking turn of events. Don't worry. Here comes the hero of the hour. A tow truck arrives to help set things right again. With steady hands and strong cables, the recovery begins. It is a reminder that even when things go wrong, there is always a way to get back on track. Thanks for joining us today. In the quiet corners of this playroom, a world of miniature construction begins to stir.
Look at that blue excavator. It's hungry. I bet it's trying to eat that green crayon for lunch.
Not quite, my friend. See how it moves? It is not eating. It is preparing to create a masterpiece. Precision is key here, as the mechanical arm guides the color across the paper with deliberate care. A beautiful butterfly emerges, painted by the steady hand of a machine. Down floor, the heavy lifters arrive. The tractor and roller have a massive task ahead of them.
Wow, they're moving those blocks like professional construction workers. I could use them to clean my room.
They work in perfect harmony, clearing the path and organizing the chaos into neat, orderly piles. With the mission accomplished, our tiny heroes gather together in a moment of well-earned stillness. As the engine lights dim, the workday ends, leaving behind a peaceful silence until the next grand adventure begins. The city wakes under a clear, bright sky, pulsing with the steady rhythm of urban life.
Look, is that a giant red toy racing down the road? Maybe it's going to a birthday party.
Not quite, my friend. That is a fire truck, and the sudden darkening clouds suggest it has much more urgent business today.
The rain is really coming down now. The streets are turning into rivers. Should that truck be driving through all that water?
Safety is their priority. The crew navigates the rising tide with extreme caution, checking the depth of the flooded road. It's a tough job, but someone has to make sure the city stays safe while the storm rages on. They've stopped near the park. It looks like the storm has brought down some debris that is blocking the way.
Oh, here comes the heavy machinery! That green excavator looks like it's ready to do some serious heavy lifting.
Precisely. The excavator acts as a powerful surgeon, carefully clearing the blocked storm drain to let the trapped water flow away. With the drain finally clear, the water recedes, restoring peace to the street. It is a wonderful reminder of how human ingenuity and teamwork help us overcome nature's greatest challenges. Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched farm. Look at that peaceful landscape where nature is just waking up to a brand new day.
Whoa! Check out that big red machine! Is that a giant lawnmower going for a joyride through the fields?
Not quite, silly. That is a tractor. It is hard at work, preparing the soil, getting it ready for the seeds we are about to plant. The rhythm of the farm never stops. The tractor moves steadily while the seeds are tucked neatly into their rows beneath the earth. Everything needs a drink! The water well is working overtime now, splashing life onto the thirsty soil to help our crops grow strong. Look how fast they are sprouting. It is like magic. The water turns the tiny seeds into lush green plants right before our eyes.
Wait, what is that sign? It looks a bit spooky. Does it mean there are monsters hiding in the corn?
Actually, it is just a safety reminder to be careful near the heavy machinery. And speaking of machines, look at that excavator go! It is harvesting giant watermelons. Those watermelons are huge! The excavator lifts them with such precision, dropping them right into the back of that sturdy red dump truck. What a successful harvest day! The truck is fully loaded and heading off to the market, leaving us with the satisfaction of a job well done. Look at that! The rain is pouring down on our little heart-shaped garden. Those poor tomato plants are getting quite a soaking, aren't they?
Oh man, it looks like a swimming pool. Are the tomatoes trying to learn how to scuba dive?
Not quite, silly. But thankfully, the storm is passing, and the water is finally beginning to recede from the soil. Wait, is that a bear? He looks very concerned about his garden. I think he's checking to see if his snack survived the flood.
He looks relieved. The plants are still standing tall.
The farm team is arriving just in time with a specialized truck to help clear out the remaining moisture. That hose is working like a giant straw, sipping up all the leftover puddles so the garden stays healthy. Now the heavy machinery moves in to harvest the crop efficiently before any more rain can return. It is a successful rescue mission for our tomato friends. From a rainy flood to a bountiful harvest, nature and hard work always find a way. What a wonderful day on the farm! Look at those 3 mighty red tractors working in perfect rhythm to prepare the earth for a new season.
They are like big red beetles. Do you think they are racing back to the barn for a nap?
Not quite. They have simply finished their hard work and are heading home to rest. Now the sky opens up. That gentle rain is exactly what the soil needs to wake up and start its magic. With the earth soft and ready, tiny seeds are tucked deep into the rows, full of hidden potential. Look! Tiny green sprouts are poking through the soil. It is like the field is waking up from a dream. And before we know it, those sprouts have transformed into plump, yellow pumpkins basking in the sun.
They are changing colors, turning from yellow to a deep, festive orange.
Here comes a helper, a yellow excavator. It seems curious about our pumpkin harvest. Watch closely as it uses its blade to carve spooky faces. What a clever way to get ready for the autumn celebration. It has been a wonderful season of growth, hasn't it? Welcome beautiful low-poly town, where the sun is shining and everything is peaceful today.
Look at that blue truck go. Is he heading to the beach for a vacation?
Not quite, my friend. He is a hard-working construction vehicle delivering supplies to build something new for our community.
Oh, here comes the excavator. It looks like a giant orange beetle roaming the streets with a very important mission.
That is exactly right. The excavator uses its powerful arm to break ground, preparing the soil for a sturdy foundation. Watch how carefully it carves out the shape of the building. Precision is key when you are creating something built to last. The job is done, and the excavator moves away. It has cleared the way for the magic to happen next. And look at that! A brand new blue building rises up floor by floor. It is truly wonderful to see our town grow together. Look at that peaceful windmill spinning in the breeze. It is such a quiet, beautiful island home.
Is that bridge made of red licorice? It looks delicious.
Not quite, my friend. It is a sturdy bridge. But look, the island is waking up. The heavy machinery is moving into place. See that red excavator? It is working hard to lift those heavy logs. It takes a lot of power to move timber like that.
I bet I could lift those logs faster with my bare hands. Just kidding. Those are way too heavy.
Precision is key. The excavator finishes its task perfectly, ensuring every log is settled safely in the truck bed. And there they go! The blue truck dumps the load right where it is needed for the next phase of construction. Now the turquoise forklift takes over. It is like a busy little ant, scurrying back and forth to organize the materials. Keeps moving and stacking with such focus. Every log needs to be in its perfect spot before the building begins.
really love how organized this worksite is. It is very satisfying to watch.
Foundation is ready. Now, the excavator uses its arm to assemble the bamboo structure, piece by piece, rising toward the sky. Look at that! The bamboo huts are finished. It is a wonderful transformation, showing us how hard work can create something truly beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this tropical adventure today. Look at that peaceful landscape, but wait! What just happened to that house? It completely crumbled.
Maybe it was just a very, very aggressive house cleaning session, like a super fast demolition party.
Not quite, silly. That is a recovery operation. A tow truck is clearing the site so we can start fresh. And now, a green dump truck arrives. It looks like it's ready for some heavy lifting.
I bet that excavator is going to try to juggle those logs. Watch, watch! It's going to drop them!
It isn't juggling, it is loading. Precision is key when moving timber. See how carefully it places each piece into the truck? With the bed full of logs, the truck prepares to transport its heavy cargo across the field. Gravity takes over as the truck bed lifts, sending the logs tumbling down to the earth in a rhythmic thud. Now comes the forklift, acting like a master craftsman, sorting and arranging every single log for the build.
It's like a giant game of wooden Tetris. I hope it doesn't accidentally build a log castle instead of a house.
It is much more intentional than that. Every piece is being prepared to form the structural bones of a new home. And look at that! From a pile of scattered timber to a beautiful, sturdy log cabin. It is truly satisfying to watch how patience and hard work can turn debris into a warm, welcoming home. What a wonderful transformation! construction site, everyone. The yellow dump truck and the red excavator are waiting patiently for the day to begin.
I bet they're playing hide and seek. Wait, no. They're definitely getting ready to race each other, right?
Not quite, silly. That red excavator is hard at work loading heavy pipes and rocks into the truck. It's a team effort. Systematically, the excavator fills the truck bed. It's fascinating to watch such heavy machinery move with such precision.
It's like watching a giant robot chef serving a very heavy meal to the dump truck.
Now, the fully loaded yellow truck begins its journey. It has a very important job to do at the new construction site. Oh no! The truck hit a deep hole in the road! That looks like a very tricky situation for our yellow friend.
Help is on the way. Look at that bright pink crane arriving to save the day. That is one stylish machine.
With a gentle, powerful lift, the crane pulls the truck free. Cooperation makes all the difference when things go wrong. Safe and sound, the truck rolls away. The crane has done its duty and heads off to its next task. Here comes the green cement mixer. It's pouring concrete to patch that hole so no one else gets stuck today. What a wonderful ending! All our vehicle friends gathered together to celebrate a job well done. Teamwork truly keeps our world moving forward. Welcome to the farm, where the morning sun kisses the fields and the rhythm of life begins in earnest.
Look at that giant red machine. Is it a transformer getting ready to battle some hungry space aliens?
Not quite, my energetic friend. That is a harvester, and it is preparing to bring in the season's hard-earned bounty. It moves forward with such steady purpose, like a gentle giant walking through a sea of golden grain.
Whoa, check it out! It's spitting out gold! Is that machine actually a magical treasure chest on wheels?
It is certainly precious, but that is grain, the lifeblood of our food supply, flowing perfectly into the waiting bin. The harvester finishes its long journey across the field, having done its work with remarkable efficiency. With the final pass complete, the field falls into a peaceful silence, marking the end of a very successful harvest.
Wait, here comes a yellow tractor. Is it bringing snacks for the workers? I'm getting pretty hungry watching all this.
Those are not snacks, but vital irrigation pipes that will ensure the next generation of crops has plenty to drink. Precision is key here, as the team connects these conduits, building a complex lifeline for the thirsty soil. Life-giving water now courses through the system, refreshing the earth and preparing it for new growth. From harvest to hydration, nature's cycle continues here on the farm, promising a bright and bountiful future for us all. Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched farm. Look, that bright blue tractor is waking up and rolling out of the barn to start the day.
Is that a giant green beetle coming out of the barn? Whoa, it's huge!
Not a beetle, silly. That is a green tractor, and following it is the mighty yellow combine harvester. It's the king of the harvest. The tractors are taking a little break in the sunshine. Everything is so peaceful before the hard work begins. Now the harvester is getting to work. See how it moves through the field? It collects all the crops in a perfect rhythmic dance. It leaves such clean, straight rows behind it. Farming is all about precision and patience. And here comes the green tractor again, carefully planting seeds for the next big harvest.
Wait, why is the fire truck here? Is there a fire? Oh, it's just helping out by watering the buildings.
The blue tractor is exploring the pumpkin patch now. It's been a busy and productive day for all our farm friends. As the sun sets, the machines return home. They have finished their work and are ready for a well-deserved rest. Good night, farm! Look at that powerful red excavator, drilling through metal like it's soft butter. It's the muscle of the port.
Whoa, it's making a shower of sparks. Is it making a giant metal birthday cake?
Not quite, silly. It's preparing the structure for transport. It's all about heavy-duty precision. Now, watch this blue forklift zip around. It's like a busy little bee organizing these massive shipping containers.
Check out that yellow crane. It's huge. I bet it could lift my entire house, right?
It certainly has the strength for it. But today, its job is to move these steel giants onto the ship with a grapple. Watch how the crane swings them through the air. It's like a graceful dance of steel and gravity. It's got a rhythm, doesn't it? Up, over, and down. Everything is falling perfectly into place. And just like that, the ship is fully packed and ready for the open ocean. What a magnificent team effort to keep the world moving. Until next time, keep exploring. Look at that beautiful steam train chugging along the green hills, heading toward the bridge.
Whoa, wait! Is that a giant orange firefly in the sky? It looks like a spaceship.
Not quite, my friend. That glowing orb is landing right on the tracks, and the train signal has turned red. We must stop to keep everyone safe. Here comes the red excavator to save the day! It is pushing against the orb with all its might, trying to nudge it off the rails so the train can pass.
Bet that orb is made of super heavy space metal. Good thing the purple crane is here to help with its big wrecking ball. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Indeed, they are clearing away the debris. See how the red excavator carefully scrapes the remaining rocks off the track? Precision is key when you are working on a railway line. Now the yellow dump truck arrives to finish the job, filling in that deep hole left by the orb. It is working so efficiently to make the ground solid again. The tracks are perfectly clear, the barrier rises, and our steam train triumphantly rolls through the tunnel. What a wonderful day for a journey! See you next time, everyone. Look at those big machines. A red loader and a green dump truck are heading out to work on a busy city street.
Whoa, they stopped! Is the dump truck taking a nap? Maybe he's waiting for a snack break?
Not quite silly. They are just waiting for the light to turn green so they can safely cross the intersection. The city is full of life today. Our steamroller and cement mixer are rolling along, keeping everything smooth and steady. They are moving toward the park now. It is amazing how much heavy machinery it takes to keep a growing city running perfectly. Now the real work begins. Watch how the loader scoops up those heavy rocks with such precision. It's like a giant mechanical dance.
I bet that truck is getting super heavy now. It's like filling a toy box with giant boulders.
With a full load secured, the green truck heads off to its next destination. Its mission is officially underway. On the main road, the team keeps moving. They never seem to get tired, do they? They are the unsung heroes of the skyline, working hard to build the future, one street at a time. And as the sun climbs high above these incredible skyscrapers, we say goodbye to our heavy-duty friends. What a productive day it has been for everyone!